G'day Beeks and Beeks to be. Are you curious about learning more about beekeeping? I have been a beekeeper for over 55 years and rearing queen bees since the 1980s. This is some of the gear that's on display and that we're showing to the students. Also different gear that the hives are worked with.
Those wires up, you use a gripper, and it basically keeps it clean. That's the sole purpose. Also a sterilisation tool. General purpose thinners. Yep, general purpose thinners.
Cheap stuff from Bunnings.
Super cheap. Best stuff. Yeah. Bunnings stuff isn't effective, is it, Alan?
Bunnings or Autobarn doesn't seem to be the same.
There's the same there, yeah. So a few of these in the mix won't matter too much. And the best part about it is that when you're usually getting ready for the season, or if you're chasing your tail during the season, you'll develop your own little way to make it happen quickly. And quite simply, I find you use this way like this, that you can change whatever you want. The part that actually holds your strength is your shear nail, and this nail needs to go into the spacer on an angle into here. And then we construct them like that. So that's the first step. I give them a bit of a knock, and there you have it. Okay, beautiful thing. Alan has experimented in the past of making his own frames, but honestly, I think by the time you work out the dollar each or whatever to get them in, when you're talking about hundreds and hundreds of frames, much worth it.
Busy students. Busy at work, are they?
Yeah. I can see that's brow sweating.
Yeah, that's got a new on the dirty side.
I love it.
It's going to be interesting. Not used to these newfangled doodads.
What's going to be interesting, Les?
Technology.
Newfangled doodad bastards, I don't know how to use these.
Good tucker. Right, you pack it in till it's full to the brim. Get more grass into your smokers. Pack them in till it's tight. Once you get the smoker going, you pack it in till it's tight. You can get a whole ball of grass and pack it in.